So this is a transmission cross member. I just modified it. I had to cut, hole was originally here for the transmission mount, right about there. I had to cut 2.5 inches off of it and move the hole in 2.5 inches. And that way all the bolt holes are now going to line up on either side. I had it installed before with just one bolt on the front of each side, and I mean it worked for a couple years, but I'm trying to have this be like safe and done properly now, so this is what we're doing. Tight. So putting in transmission cross member for the first time after being modified. Hope it fits.